how to log into your OpenTable account step by step. Here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get that OpenTable application, or you can get into the OpenTable.com and get into its website. From here, what we're going to do is simply tap on the menu bar on the top right corner where you'll actually be able to get that sign in button. Tap on it, then you'll be able to get into the sign in page. If you're on the application, you'll be able to get that sign in button on the very beginning. Simply tap on that sign in button and you'll be able to get into this page where all you need to do is add in your mobile number right here. Select your country code and then you'll be able to write in your mobile number and then tap on continue. You'll actually be able to get a text message. All you need to do is simply add in that text message number in order to verify it, and you'll be able to log into your account. Or if you have used your email, you can even tap on the option use email instead. Then you'll be able to add in your email. When you tap on continue, you'll be able to get a code on your email. Open your email inbox, write in that code right here in order to verify it, and just like that, you'll successfully be able to log into your OpenTable account like that.